Looking for the best LEGO creator sets? In this video we look at some of the top 3 LEGO creator sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Pirate Roller Coaster Building Kit. Pros: lots of intricate pieces and a build that can be structured into 3 different designs tests kids' imagination and creativity. Functional once assembled, isn't too difficult to complete. Comes with 4 minifigures and a helpful instructional booklet. Cons: some sets arrived with bags of parts that weren't numbered, resulting in a time-consuming process of sorting the 923 pieces, some of which have been reported as missing. Bottom line: most kids love roller coasters, and this creator set tests their skills at building 3 different models from one accessory-packed set. At number 2. LEGO Creator Robo Explorer. Pros: an affordable kit that's part of the LEGO Creator 3-in-1 series that allows kids to assemble the robot into a dog, bird, or robot explorer. Has working lights and numerous moving parts. Challenging yet suitable for kids of various ages. Cons: a few reports of missing pieces, including one of the main components. Bottom line: the reasonable price and versatile capabilities that this set offer make it the perfect choice for LEGO fans and parents on a budget. At number 1. LEGO Creator Twin Rotor Helicopter. Pros: 569 pieces. Build your choice of a twin rotor helicopter, hovercraft, or supersonic jet. Challenging and engaging models to assemble. Helicopter sports synchronized rotors. Cons: a fairly expensive LEGO set. Bottom line: if you know a kid who is completely captivated by speedy vehicles, this large LEGO set will test their creativity as they piece together the coolest ride they can imagine. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.